Hey everyone, welcome back to ReviewTube, your home of fair and square product reviews. Did you know that pellet cooking is generally cheaper compared to gas grilling? Picture this, a 20-pound bag of pellets retails at around $25, and you can juice it for over 50 hours depending on how frequently you use it. A full tank of propane gas, on the other hand, averages about $30 and has a turnaround time of only 20 hours, even when you're cooking on low. Given a chance between the two, even the most extravagant person would opt for the former given its cost effectiveness. Unfortunately, there are hundreds if not thousands of pellet grill models and manufacturers out there, which makes it nearly impossible to choose the right one. Fortunately, our team of researchers and testers have done the heavy lifting for you by compiling a list of the top 5 tried and tested pellet grills on the market. Keep watching to find out about all of them. At number 1 is the Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24. The Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24 is by far the best-selling smoker in the Camp Chef family. Boasting a chamber capacity of 4,850 cubic inches and 800 square inches of total rack surface area, it has plenty of space to cook for large families. In the design department, nothing comes close to the practicality of this piece of cooking equipment. For starters, it has an overall height of 42 inches and weighs a mere 150 pounds, making it easy to move around. The entire body is engineered from coated stainless steel, not only making it durable, but also improves its heat retention capability. But that's not the best part. Cleaning a grill is a piece of cake thanks to the grease management system located right under the cooking chamber. This, compounded with a retractable cleanout system located on the lower side, makes it one of the most practical and easy to clean grills on the market. If you're not a fan of babysitting your grill, you'll love the fact that Camp Chef Woodwind comes with a fully equipped PID and Wi-Fi enabled controller, letting you control the cooking temperatures remotely. Overall, the Camp Chef Woodwind pellet grill is an excellent piece of equipment. It has sufficient cooking capacity, it's easy to clean, and it allows you to control the cooking temperatures remotely. At number 2 is the Pit Boss Navigator 850 Wood Pellet Grill. Although Pit Boss is one of the trailblazers in the barbecue grill realm, the company has continued to consistently turn out some of the best grills off their assembly line, and they didn't disappoint with the Navigator 850. The first thing you'll love about this pellet grill is the modern design. It features a modern ergonomic steel body which makes it durable and rust resistant. It also has a generous 879 square inch cooking chamber which allows you to prepare meals for medium to large families. Better yet, the 28-pound hopper capacity fuels the grill to temperature ranges of between 180 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, plus an adjustable flame broiler, letting you grill, bake, smoke, roast, braise, and sear your food. Under the hood, the grill is fitted with porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates, an important element in preventing your food from sticking. Monitoring and controlling the chamber's cooking temperature is a snap thanks to the digital in controller. If you're working in the dark, you don't have to worry about anything as the control board has LED lights. Another key element that makes the Pit Boss Navigator 850 grill score big points is its portability element. It comes with locking caster wheels and a reinforced leg design, which not only make the grill stable, but also easy to move around. Other notable mentions include the built-in tool hooks to hang your cooking equipment, a side shelf, and a complimentary meat probe. Still haven't found the right pellet grill? Well, stay tuned because we have more in store. But before we do that, we're constantly uploading similar videos on this channel, so if you'd like to get notified when we upload new videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the Pit Boss 700B Wood Pellet Grill. Designed to deliver restaurant-quality results at home, the 700FB Wood Pellet Grill combines advanced technology and superior craftsmanship, which is why it's landed on our list. The 700 square inches of cooking chamber, compounded with 8 cooking levels and an adjustable flame broiler, allows you to prepare your meals however you want without having to worry about space. Whether it's grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, searing, or braising, this sturdy piece of cooking equipment has got you covered. The grill also comes with porcelain-coated steel cooking grates, which work great in retaining heat, but also prevent the food from sticking. To improve stability and facilitate portability, the grill is fitted with reinforced legs and dual metal wheels. And just like its Navigator 850 cousin, this grill comes with a 28-pound hopper capacity, letting you cook without having to refuel it. Keeping an eye on what's happening inside the grill has never been easier, all thanks to the backlit digital dial-in control board. As a bonus, this grill comes with free meat probe, letting you know the internal temperature of the food without disturbing the cooking cycle. At number 4 is the Davy Crockett Green Mountain Grill. With a surface cooking area of 219 square inches, this go-to portable grill for small families is great to cook small meals in the backyard. It measures a mere 31 by 34 by 23 inches and weighs 57 pounds, making it one of the smallest grills on our list. But don't let the unassuming look deceive you. It has a cooking surface area of 219 square inches, which is decent considering its price point. Feeding the pellets into the grill is done via the Venturi-style firebox with a speed-adjustable fan, helping to feed the pellets with sufficient oxygen and improve circulation. The grill also comes with GMG Smart Control and Wi-Fi connectivity, letting you monitor and adjust cooking temperatures remotely as you concentrate on other things. You'll also love the free meat probe that comes with the grill, as it comes in handy in showing you the cooking temperature. Also, the Davy Crockett Green Mountain Grill comes fully equipped with a mesh rib rack and utensil hook, which is a much welcome addition. At number 5 is the Z-Grill's L600D. Although Z-Grills is a newbie in the pellet grill realm, the company's been working behind the bigwigs like Traeger for many years. Since they started launching their standalone products, they've done a commendable job, and their updated L600D grill is a clear testament to this. This mid-price point cooking grill has a porcelain-coated cooking surface area of 572 square inches, and it can hold up to 4 whole chickens, 24 burgers, or 5 racks of ribs. And with its adjustable direct flame access, you can rest assured that you'll be enjoying different food textures. Design-wise, the L600D features a vertical design, which allows you to cook while standing. It also comes with an enclosed double-door storage cabinet to store your grilling utensils when not in use, as well as a side shelf to prepare your ingredients. The grill comes fully fitted with advanced PID temperature control technology, which comes in handy when monitoring cooking temperatures. Overall, the Z-Grill's L600D pellet grill is a great piece of cooking equipment. It's inexpensive, has incredible heat retention, and offers a decent cooking area. And there you have it, the top 5 pellet grills on the market. We hope our list will help you pick the right one to whip up great meals for your family or guests. We're always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments, so if there's a product you have in mind that you'd love us to review, comment below in the comments section and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date with the latest updates by tapping the red bell icon and become part of our growing online community by subscribing to our channel. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.